upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions with a dash of humor. Today, we're taking to the skies with two high-flying contenders, the Heygelo S90 drone and the istone S90 drone. Buckle up, because this drone showdown is about to get airborne. Helicopter. First up, let's talk about the all-important price tag. On the left, we have the Heygelo S90, coming in at a wallet-friendly $59. On the right, the istone i5, which will set you back a cool $119. That's almost double the price. For that extra cash, you could buy another Heygelo S90 and still have enough left to grab a pizza. So if you're a budget-conscious shopper, or just really like pizza, Heygelo S90 takes the cake. Or should I say, the slice. Now, let's talk cameras. Both drones sport a 1080p HD camera, which is great for capturing those Instagram-worthy shots. But the istone i90 has a neat trick up its sleeve, a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a drone with a chiropractor. You can get those perfect angles without needing to do any aerial yoga. According to reviews, the Heygelo S90 offers good camera quality for its price, though some users found it mediocre. On the other hand, reviews for the istone S90 are mixed, with some users praising the picture quality and others finding it lacking. Time to see which drone has the stamina to keep up with your epic adventures. The Heygelo S90 offers a respectable 26 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. But the istone i5, it goes the extra mile with a whopping 30 minutes. That's 4 extra minutes of sky-high fun. You could almost watch an entire episode of The Office in that time. Almost. Reviews for the Heygelo S90 highlight its good battery life, while the istone S90's flight time is appreciated by users despite some concerns about losing the drone in windy conditions. Let's dive into how easy these drones are to use. The Heygelo S90 is packed with user-friendly features, like one-key start, land, altitude hold, and even voice control. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. On the other hand, the istone S90 boasts headless mode, hand gesture photo, SCOTO, video, and one-key start landing. It's like the drone equivalent of a butler, just without the British accent. Reviewers found the Heygelo S90 easy to set up and control, making it great for beginners. However, some istone S90 users reported issues with the app and connectivity, which could make it less user-friendly. Finally, let's talk about portability. Both drones feature a foldable design, making them easy to carry around. The Heygelo S90 is compact enough to fit in your backpack, while the istone i5 takes it a notch higher with a carrying case included. It's like having a personal suitcase for your drone. Fancy, huh? Reviews for the Heygelo S90 praise its portability and compact design, while the istone S90's carrying case is a hit among users who love to travel. Overall, the Heygelo S90 receives praise for its affordability, ease of use, and decent camera quality, making it a great choice for beginners. The istone i90, while more expensive, offers longer flight time and an adjustable camera lens, but has mixed reviews regarding its camera quality and user experience. Upbeat music playing. All right, smart shoppers, that wraps up our drone duel. Both the Heygelo S90 and the istone S90 have their strengths and quirks. If you're a budget-savvy shopper who loves versatility, the Heygelo S90 is your go-to. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for extra flight time and an adjustable camera, the istone i5 is ready to take off with you. Which drone do you think wins the showdown? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.